Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be doing a little photo shoot today. Since my last video that I did doing my photo shoot for my daughter, it did so well. I guess you guys seem to like that type of stuff. I figured I would do another video of doing my son's birthday shoot. His birthday is tomorrow and it's fall, so I have to do a fall shoot. Fall is my favorite season, so I'm going all out. I'm going all out. And I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So I actually have two shoots in mind for him. The first shoot is going to be the milk bath shoot. I've never done a milk bath before, so I'm actually really excited for this. I have a vision in my head, so I'm hoping that it will portray in the pictures what I was aiming for. And then the second shoot is just a regular cake smash shoot with him in his little outfit. So the first one we're gonna do is a milk bath so I can get him all nice and dried and all that good stuff. And then afterwards, we'll do his little cake smash portion. But I guess I will show y'all the setup of the milk bath first. Okay, so now that I have everything that I need out, I'm going to get the tin filled up with some hot water. I'm choosing hot water because I'm going to be using cold milk. So I want it to be a balance. I don't want him to be cold. So I'm hoping that it'll be a nice, you know, room temperature type of situation. Just to add for some more color, and he's gonna want to chew on one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one in half because I know my son. I know him. Now that I have the water ready, I'm actually gonna kind of set the table, and I'm doing this on the table because at least if he does splash or anything, it's easy to just wipe off the table versus trying to mop the whole floor and everything. Yeah, so I'm gonna kind of get extra things set around the tin bucket and we will get this started. So I just got the white sheet up and I'm gonna give you guys a tip. If your background is wrinkly like this, get a spray bottle, get some warm water and spray it and then let it air dry. Okay, so I'm getting the fan so we can kind of dry it a little bit because I will be using this for his next shoot and I need it to be completely dry, not damp at all whatsoever because it will be involving some cake. So I kind of want it to be like perfect. So while that's drying a little bit, Judah just ate a bottle and I'm gonna get him ready. I'm debating if I want to take his little pom-poms out or not, or leave him in pom-poms. Here, I'll show you. Hey, handsome. I think I might take his hair out of these little pom-poms for his birthday shoot. Hey! 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 Are you ready for your pictures? We would have been doing his milk shoot outdoors. Look at that. We would have been doing it outside, but as you see, it's a little murky. It's a little wet. So yeah, I'm about to get him situated. Okay. Okay, so we had a quick change of plans because the lighting was acting weird with the tent being on the table. So I just kind of did a little setup on the floor, and this is where he will be. Are you ready, handsome? Judah. Oh, you're looking at your setup. Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, let's get it going. Alrighty, so I know I kind of ended things abruptly in the last clip. A lot was going on. However, I did accomplish the shots that I was looking for. I will probably insert them now. So today will be part 2. I thought I was going to be able to accomplish both the shoots that I had in mind, but due to the weather yesterday, the sun and the clouds and the lighting, it wasn't working. So I was at least able to complete the milk bath shoot. So today will be the cake smash shoot, and I'm actually really excited about that. I'm just finishing up some breakfast right now. The baby is probably about to take a nap very soon. Just like yesterday, he needs to nap first before we do anything. I cannot shoot a grumpy baby. I've learned my lesson with the girls. So he just ate some pancakes for his birthday today. Oh yeah, his birthday is today. He's officially 1 year old. Oh my gosh. Time has flown. Anyway, so the plan today is he's gonna nap. While he's napping and while I'm finishing up breakfast, I'm going to get his little cake smash cake prepared. I'm just gonna make a simple little cake. Since I have so many pumpkins, I actually might make one of the pumpkins in the cake and do like a pumpkin cake type situation, and whatever's left over I'll probably turn into cupcakes or something, but we just need a tiny cake for him to smash. So I'm gonna do that and figure out what outfit I'm gonna do while he's sleeping. I'll probably go ahead and get the setup ready because right now the table is back in the area, so I'm probably gonna clean this whole area, which you'll see all of that in a bit, but when I get to that I'll show you. Okay, so right now this is the setup. I'm waiting a little bit longer to do it before I shoot because the sun right now is right there and I kind of want it in this area because it's perfect light and it's golden hour. So I'm going to wait a little longer. In the meantime, his cake is in the oven. I'm going to get him dressed and hopefully by the time I'm all done with that, the light will be kind of perfect. So just got to wait a little longer.